Welcome everyone, Dr. Thor here again, another ESP kit. This is very similar to the fancy kit that I showed you from Neiman Marcus. Back in the day when people had a mind, had some intelligence, unlike these stupid, ignorant fools that inhabit the world now. But this is the same type of kit, but you can see what you could easily get out there. These were the things that were, sold in your common store. You've got the usual pads for your identification of the different cards. And of course they have a pad for colors, if you can see there. So you want to, and of course you have the color cards here. I'm going to make these things as brief as possible. I don't think we need too much unless it's something super special. And of course you have the usual cards here yet again in terms of those Zenner cards, probably are copyrighted, and they have those typical. So these vary a bit. You have this little spring looking thing, you have the nuclear design here, and of course you have square colors, and of course they gave you a dice. You also get, of course, an instruction booklet, and this is common to this particular company, which is Art Fair, who made a lot of ESP kits, and these were, you can find these kind of commonly around. They're not too hard to get, but you get to up to 6 can play. So, they kind of make these as a game, and of course it is true. You can get a group of people together, and that's always fun, especially if you're trying to train yourself with sending and receiving. Well, how do you do that without another person? Here's the back of the box. You can transmit and receive thoughts. Are you able to look into the future, see far away events? Can you perceive color with your fingertips? Are you able to move objects with your mind, with mental power alone? This fascinating test kit is scientifically designed to reveal the hidden powers beyond the range of your normal 5 senses. Discover your 6th sense. Intriguing and exciting tests for yourself and friends. 1966, people. And what I like, of course, here we go. Price tag. I think everybody can see that. $3. And I just make that tag out. How cool is that? Walt Disney World. $3. Isn't that interesting? So these are actually sold in Disneyland, I guess. Or the price tags. Oh, somebody actually bought those. So you get this cool little kit. It's another fascinating blast to the past. Many more to come. So watch for all the exciting things.